Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how you can delete your Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Wix account and now open that website you want to delete. So for example, I'm going to deleting this one, so I'm going to selecting this website. And now your site dashboard will open. Now click on the site actions and from here click on move to trash. And move to trash means your site become unpublished and can't be edited and site won't be visible. So click on move to trash. And this is how we can delete our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.